In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for a literature review, a step-by-step guide. If you're facing a mountain of papers and need to turn them into a coherent review, this workflow will help you move from scattered notes to a clear, defensible narrative. We'll start by routing the right task to the right model tier. Use the instant tier when you need speed for operational tasks. It's great for translating dense jargon into plain language, generating APA or Chicago-style references, checking standard definitions, or pulling key variables and results from a single abstract. When you shift to heavier lifting, like synthesizing multiple studies, tracing theoretical lineages, or pinpointing research gaps, switch to the thinking tier. That deeper reasoning engine excels at connecting themes across diverse papers, weighing methodological trade-offs, and outlining how your chapters might be structured. A practical tip: keep source snippets short and focused for instant tasks, and give the thinking tier broader context and a clear objective. Next, use the methodology dissector and variable tracker prompt to strip a paper down to its essentials. Paste this, then add your abstract or key sections. Act as a university research professor, academic editor, and senior methodologist. I am evaluating a research paper to include in my literature review. Provide a structured analytical breakdown of the text I will provide below. Isolate and outline these specific elements into a clean markdown table. The core research question, the theoretical framework used, the explicit methodology/sample size, the primary statistical or qualitative findings, and the limitations acknowledged by the authors. Here is the text. Insert paper abstract or key sections here. This gives you quick, comparable snapshots you can scan and file. Then move from summaries to synthesis with the comparative synthesis matrix. Paste in, act as a doctoral curriculum supervisor and research director. I am writing a literature review section focused on the core theme of insert specific theme. Below, I will paste short summaries of 3 distinct research papers. Build a comprehensive comparative synthesis matrix formatted as a markdown table tracking core theme/subtopic, shared agreements between the authors, pointed methodological divergences, contradictions, and the collective strength of their evidence. Here are the summaries. Insert your short paper summaries/notes. Here. This frames authors in dialogue, not isolation. Finally, sharpen your thesis with the research gap and vulnerability scout. Act as a senior journal reviewer and academic critique specialist. I am reviewing the current literature pool surrounding insert broad topic area. Based on the comparative synthesis of current 2026 research trends, identify 3 significant theoretical, methodological, or geographical research gaps that scholars have left unaddressed. For each gap, explain why it remains unresolved, how it limits our current understanding of the field, and suggest a precise research question I can use to frame my own study to fill that void perfectly. This clarifies where your study fits and why it matters. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next